Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford. Today I am in my kitchen and I'm getting my kids ready and I'm going to talk about seed oils. Oh gosh, such a hot topic right now versus, I just have the spray, an avocado oil versus, let me see if I can get it out, a coconut oil. What are the differences? So oils, whoopsies, throwing everything. Here's a coconut oil. That is a huge, huge jar of coconut oil, okay? Oils are from mostly plant-based, but you could have firm oils like bacon grease or lard. Oils are typically then from some sort of plant. So seed oils have gotten a lot of attention because people are linking seed oils to inflammation. People are linking seed oils to a cascade of metabolic processes that can be potentially harmful at a cellular level. And so seed oils in the food industry are really cheap. They're really easy to obtain. They're really easy to access. And we didn't used to fry food as much, but we do now. And so sometimes we're using seed oils or peanut oil or things that weren't really meant to be cooked at high heat. So if you're interested in learning about the heating patterns of different oils, look up seed oil, smoke point, and high heat is preserved for oils that can withstand that high heat. One of them could be coconut oil or avocado oil if you're interested in sticking to plant oils. If you're interested in using bacon or lard, those can withstand high heat, but not all the time. So look up seed oils, smoke point, rancid. And try to find something that is educational instead of .com. Try to look at a website that is edu or something that's been published. That's going to be much more vetted, that doesn't have a money grab. Okay, good luck. Let me know.